Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to a Salil Jamdar video for the very first time. But that doesn't mean I have not been following this guy. I have been following him for a long time now, and I have subscribed to his channel. I used to watch Should They See Romance, Should They See Gani and Should They See Endings and all. He was on that channel as well. So yes, I have been following this maestro for a long time. He is so creative and he's so funny, and he has an amazing voice, by the way. So this is his I don't know whether this is his first song or not, because I have heard so many songs of his and he has a great voice. So I'm going to react to this song. The song's name is Tere Jaane Se and it is produced by Agnel Roman. So I'm going to watch this. This is a story of the purest first love. I'm excited. So let's react to this. Please go and subscribe to his channel if you haven't done it yet, because he is amazing. I'm going to provide the link down below in the description box, because you guys already know him. He is a maestro, and yeah, I love his parodies, the song parodies he makes for all the movies and all. He's an amazing creator. So here's my reaction to this song in 3, 2, 1 and go. This place looks so nice. Shot in Manali. Like they have already given us a location. I want to go there someday. Love Hills.
क्यों?
इतना बेहतर गाना आपने छोड़ दिया, क्या बात, क्या
अरे छोड़ी।
बढ़ते हैं अगली खबर की तरफ। अभी एक ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हिमाचल से आ रही है, जहां रोहतांग रोड के गुलाबा गांव के पास 4 टूरिस्ट लड़कों ने एक लड़की के साथ सामूहिक बलात्कार और हत्या की वारदात को अंजाम दिया है। स्थानीय लोगों का कहना है कि सुबह 9 बजे के करीब एक लड़की को काफी सज धज के रोहतांग टॉप की तरफ जाते देखा गया। आप इन तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं कि लाश की बुरी हालत होने की वजह से लड़की की पहचान अभी तक नहीं हो पाई है। पुलिस रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक लड़की के हाथ एक चिट्ठी भी बरामद हुई है।
मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है कुछ बोलने के लिए। वाओ, आई वाज स्केर्ड कि उसको कुछ होगा, यू नो, सलील को कुछ शायद कुछ हो जाएगा, मिलने से पहले गिर जाएगा फिर एक्सीडेंट, जो कि यूजुअली हम देखते हैं सारी म्यूजिक वीडियोस पे। दिस वाज टोटली अनएक्सपेक्टेड। The last few minutes, that silence. Oh my god. Just imagine, you know, क्या होता होगा उन लोगों पर जिनके लिए एक इंसान इतना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं उनके लिए, एंड अचानक से वो इंसान आपकी ज़िंदगी में नहीं है और इतनी बेरहमी से वो उनकी मौत हो। Don't have words to say. This is beyond beautiful and tragic. It's heartbreaking and heart-wrenching. My God, I can't believe it. Such a beautiful and powerful message shown through this music video. I'm definitely going to share this with all my friends and everyone I know, because this is something which is needed to be appreciated and which is needed to be spread. The message, the main message of this song needs to be spread among all the people. Wow. Wow. It just took a turn like this. I was not expecting that ending, not at all. I was thinking maybe there was some problem, maybe the girl doesn't know how to read, or might be the problem, you know, they will end up together somehow. I can feel that pain. Damn. Thank you, Salil Jamdar, for bringing us another amazing video, another amazing song. The song itself was so beautiful, and it definitely created a huge place in my heart the moment it started. It was so musically beautiful. His voice has such a soothing effect on you whenever he sings, because he has an amazing voice. But this whole video, oh my god, it will remain with me for a long time now. Guys, thank you very much for watching this reaction with me. I think most of you guys have watched it, and if you haven't watched it, please go to his channel and support the song, because this deserves love. This whole music video and the story behind it and the main message behind it deserves love. So please God, what am I saying? Sorry. Please guys, go ahead and check his channel out if you haven't checked it out yet, and please support him, because he needs love. He's one of those creators who are so original. Their story, their idea, everything is just out of the box and amazing. So guys, that's it. That was my reaction and thought about this particular music video. Very powerful, very intense and beautiful. So guys, a total thumbs up, comment out your thoughts and suggestion, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Help me reach 20,000 subscriber mark. I'll be seeing you guys again. Until then, keep liking, subscribing and sharing the love. Ciao.